Hey guys, I'm back again with a new additive to test out in Floetrol based acrylic pours. In this series, I'm testing out several different products to see what kind of acrylic cell formation we can get. If you're just joining in, this is the third additive in the series, so we're just getting started. I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description below if you want to check it out. For the first few videos, I have additives that are typically used when fly fishing. They're used to make your fly either float or sink in the water. I wanted to see what they would do in fluid art. Each additive has given completely different cell patterns, so I wanted to share them all with you so you can pick your favorites. Today we're using a floatant called Gink. This product is actually in a gel form, so I put what I thought would be the equivalent of 2 drops in each color except for the titanium white. I'm using a combination of Floetrol and Gehrke 800 as my pouring medium. I have it at about 90% Floetrol to 10% Gehrke. To keep everything consistent during testing, I mixed large batches of cadmium yellow light hue, pyrrole red, ultramarine blue, and titanium white. I split each color from the larger batch to add in the additives. In each of these experiments, I'm using the flip cup method. To do this, I'm using the white as a base and then layering each color into a separate cup. I then quickly flip the cup over onto the canvas and let it set for around 20 to 30 seconds to allow the paint to drip down. I then lift the cup and let the paint flow out completely. Flip cups are excellent for cell formation because they allow the paints to not only shift as you're putting them in together, but they mix and mingle in the cup as well. So you get more movement with the paint, leading to more cells. While the Gink did not seem to produce large cells, I love the way that the colors overlapped each other and looked slightly hazy. The small cells show peaks of a rainbow of colors, and the difference in the paint transparencies really shines through on this one. Well, what do you guys think? Which additive has been your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any suggestions on something that you would like to see tested out, I'd love to hear it. That's it for me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this pour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have so much more to share with you guys. See you next time. Bye.